Hi guys, AR Malik here. Today we will learn how to block messages from unknown numbers. If you are worried about unknown messages, then this video is for you. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's open up settings and go to search bar in settings. Search here private. When we write here private, there were many options. I have to click on private save at bottom one. Now scroll up and there is option of anti-harassment. I have blocked 322 calls and 2 SMS. Click on it. Now at top there is call blocking, at bottom block messages. Click on block messages. There are two-way keywords for spam messages and block messages from unknown number. Click on top one. You can block here from keyword or by their names. I add this number, you can simply remove. Click on edit, select it and remove all keywords. Now click on bottom one, block messages from unknown number. When turn on, all messages except those from your contacts will be blocked. It means only your saved content will send you messages. Turn it on. In this way you can block messages. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.